we are going to make a puppet, a farm animal puppet in honor of May Day week. I'm super sad that we don't get to go to the fair. I love walking to the fair with my first graders every year, and I'm really sad we don't get to go, and I'm sad for all the kids who don't get to show their animals. So we're gonna make some farmhouse puppets, and we're going to start with just a piece of paper. I'm gonna make a pig right now, that's why I chose pink. And it's just computer paper. I folded it very carefully like that, and I'm gonna cut off this edge right here. I want it to be a perfect square when I'm done. I'm gonna save the piece that I cut off because I'll need it for the decorations on my pig. Okay, so then I can open it up and I'll show you it's a perfect square, kind of perfect square. I fold it in half, then I open it back up again and I have it like this, okay? Then I fold it the other way in half, and so I have like 4 creases in my paper. I take one corner and I fold it into the middle, turn it, take the next corner, fold it into the middle, take the next corner, fold it into the middle, and take the next corner and fold it into the middle. Oops, let me fold that one a little bit better. Try and make them as straight as you can. Now I'm going to flip the whole thing over, so now it's the smooth side. Okay, I'm going to do it again. Take a corner and fold it into the middle. When I was a kid, we called these cootie catchers, not take a corner, fold it into the middle. They weren't puppets. We made a silly little game out of them. But, so, if some of your moms, none of them are as old as I am, but if you knew, if they might know how to make a cootie catcher. And that's how we're starting this, as a cootie catcher. Turn it back over. Okay, so this side opens like this from the center, and this side has that. I'm going to turn it so you can have this side, and we're going to fold them in half, the whole thing, open it back up, fold it the other way, okay, and then we're going to be able to stick our fingers into this part of it, and this is going to become our puppet, our pig puppet. So hold on. So that's where we are right now. So I need some pig ears and maybe a little twisty pigtail. So I'm going to use that piece of paper that I had extra. And I'm going to make some little piggy ears. I'm using a marker, so I put a piece of paper under it so it doesn't write on my table. And I'm just drawing them. You know, it might not be perfect. Take some pink and fill it in. And it's just a silly looking pig, not like a realistic looking pig. I'm going to cut them both out. Take your time. You don't have to do it. I'm just doing it fast so you guys don't get bored on the video. There's one pig ear. 2 pig ears, and I ran out of glue. My glue stick ran out today, so now I'm using tape. I would probably think glue stick would be way easier than tape. And I'm just gonna tape the little pig ears on. Oops, hold on. Patience, okay? Ugh. And the other side. So now he has 2 little ears. Uh-oh, that one didn't stick good. Hold on. Need more tape. Need to be like a veterinarian so I can get these stuck on well. There. Then I hold it back up so I can see how it's looking. Not bad for ears. Okay, and now he needs a pigtail. So I'm gonna use that same scrap of pink paper so I'm not wasting. And I'm going to, I think I'm going to draw it first with a pencil in case I mess up, because I don't want to waste my paper. Does that look like it? Can you see it? I'll go over it with black. It's not as easy as I thought it would be. Erase my pencil marks because I don't like that way that looks. Now I'm going to cut out my little pigtail. And I'm not cutting right on the lines because that takes a long time and I was hurrying. Some of my favorite parts at the May Day Fair, it always is windy. That drives me crazy because I always have allergies, so that's no fun. And it's been windy around Las Vegas lately. But I love seeing all the animals. I love the petting zoo. When I was a kid, I showed sheep. I never won grand champion or anything like that though. But it was fun to spend the week at the fair. I feel kind of bad for all those kids who raise their animals and they're not getting to show them. Okay, so there's my little piggy tail. I'm gonna glue it or tape it right there so it's coming off the side. I like to eat fair food. I know it's not very good for you, but it sure tastes delicious. Everybody loves the cinnamon rolls. Little piggy tail. Okay, now I need some little piggy feet. Same scrap of pink paper that I had earlier. I'm going to make, let's do it this way. I'm just drawing like that. I think, I don't know what pig feet look like, to tell you the truth. I never showed sheep as pigs, I only showed sheep. And I didn't really get that close, so we're just making it up as we go along. But this is for fun. Although it'd be nice if you guys said, oh, now I really want to learn more about cows, or I really want to learn more about whatever it is you really want to learn more about, that maybe would be at the fair. And then you could write about it. A nonfiction, informational thing about the farm animal that your favorite is. I'm gonna make this one just a little bit skinnier. For some reason, that pig has fat legs, but I guess that's good if you're gonna sell them at the fair. So far so good. And let's put some eyes on him. I'm going to put the eyes on the top section, like right here. So I'm going to let it be folded down for just a minute so I can do it easier. Ooh, I don't know if it'll work. Oh, maybe a little bit. Make two little eyes, or two big eyes, however you want them to look. And an eye on this side. And of course it's going to look kind of funny because I've not seen how it's looking. I'm going to check and see how it looked, and then I'm going to make a little pig nose on the front. It's coming together. He needs a pig nose right there. So a pig nose would be kind of a round snout. Take my pink. And each side needs to have it on there. Each part. You guys are thinking I'm crazy, but this is fun. You need to try it, because once my pig talks, she'll be excited. You can make 3 of these, do 3 little pigs, and make a wolf. That'd be a fun puppet show to do. You can make your brothers or sisters help you out. It's starting to look like a pig. Hold on, he needs a little black dot for his inside of his nose, I think. My mailman just came, and he woke up my dog. So there is my pig, kind of easy, and your pig could talk like, I love the May Day fair. And then I made a sheep. Me too, bah, bah, bah. Get down for a second so we can see the cow. Moo, moo. See my long tail? It's for swishing the flies away. We have lots of flies in Las Banas. It's kind of fun, different to do. It'll be a fun activity, not too hard. Okay, bye.